In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Ninjatrader. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up a web browser and head on over to ninjatrader.com. Now, once you're here, you'll see a login button near the top right of the screen. Go ahead and click on to login. This is going to take us to the login page and also create account page. So the best way to do this is to either sign in with your Google account and sign in, or sign in with your Apple account. So this is basically going to create an account and sign you in at the same time. So I'm going to use my Google account. So I'm going to use my account here. Now what it should do, it should redirect me back to the welcome page or account management page. Okay, from here we can go ahead and open an account, but if you're not ready for live trading, don't worry, you can start a free risk trial of simulated trading. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and start my 14 free day trial with live market data. So I'm going to create a free demo account. So I'm going to jot in my first name, last name, country, and phone number. Okay, then after that, you should be redirected to account. It should say account created. Then from here, we can go ahead and start using Ninjatrader.